Hello children, today once again we are going to do the revision for FA2 test. In the previous class we did the revision for digestion lesson, and I also revised the third lesson, that is teeth and microbes. So we will continue with that. Today we will revise the objectives of this lesson. So choose the correct options. First one, our dash help us to chew our food. So what the options are: tongue, teeth and food pipe. So what is the correct option? Teeth. Yes, our teeth help us to chew our food. Next one, the number of teeth an adult can have is dash. It is 25, 28 or 32. So an adult has permanent teeth that are 32 in number. So 32 is the correct option. Next, the canine in our mouth help us to dash. Options are crush food, swallow food or tear food. So canines help us to tear the food. So tear food is the correct option. Okay. Then next, we grow all our milk teeth by the age of dash. You know the milk teeth are grown when you are small. So by the age of 3, you get all your milk teeth. Okay, so 3 is the correct option. Yes. Now further, there are dash types of teeth. In the human life there are 2 types of teeth. Okay, milk teeth and permanent teeth. So options A is 4, B2, C3. So 2, B2 is the correct option. Alright. So 2 is the correct option. Next, teeth of an adult are called dash teeth. Permanent teeth, milk teeth or big teeth. So they are permanent teeth, right? Dash crush and grind food. Canines, molars or incisors. Incisors cut the food, canines tear the food. So molar is the correct option. Molars crush and grind the food. Another, there are dash permanent teeth. How many permanent teeth are there? 32 permanent teeth are there. Yes? Okay. Upper part of our tooth is called dash. You know, upper part, another below part is embedded in the gum, and upper part can be seen. So upper part of the tooth is called crown. Crown is the correct option. Other options are dentine and root, but here crown is the correct option. So crown. Next, brush your teeth dash a day. How many times you should brush your teeth? Twice a day. Okay, 2 times a day. Okay. Next, filling the blanks with the correct option. So dash holds the tooth firmly in place. Options are root or enamel. So root helps the tooth firmly in its place. So correct option is root. Next, a person who is 30 years old usually has dash teeth. Person who is 30 years old will have permanent teeth. See, you may be feeling that some questions are repeated, but there is no problem. We are revising. By revising again and again, you will also learn them. Okay. So, next one, dash is one type of microbe. Options are microscope or protozoa. So, protozoa is the one type of microbe. Next, dash are the smallest microbes, viruses or fungi. So viruses are the smallest microbe. So viruses is the correct option. The flat and wide teeth in our mouth are called dash. Options are canines or premolars. So the correct answer is premolars, because premolars are flat and wide teeth. Okay, canines are sharp and pointed. So premolars are the correct option. Dash is used to make bread. Options are yeast or yogurt. So bread is made with the help of yeast. Yeast is a type of fungi which is used in making bread. So yeast is the correct answer. Dash causes tooth decay, fungi or bacteria. So bacteria are the microbes that causes tooth decay. So bacteria is the correct option. This is how you are going to click on the on your paper in your FA2 test. Okay, what your correct option, you have to click on that answer. Okay, next, dash is the innermost portion of the tooth. Options are pulp or enamel. So the pulp is the correct option. It is the innermost portion of the tooth. Dash causes food poisoning. Options are fungi or bacteria. So bacteria causes food poisoning. Okay. Bacteria also causes tooth decay. Bacteria also causes food poisoning. Next one, dash helps to keep your teeth healthy. Who helps? Teacher or dentist? Very well, you very well know. Dentist helps to keep your teeth healthy. You should visit your dentist periodically to keep your teeth healthy. So dentist is the correct option. Next one, dash grows on dead and rotting material. Okay, what grows on dead and rotting material? That is, options are protozoa or fungus. So fungus is the correct option. Okay, fungus. Dash are good for your teeth. What are good? Sweets or eggs? Definitely eggs. Okay, eating too much sweets, they damage your teeth. Eggs are good for your teeth. So X is the correct option. Yes. Now further, this is the tick, true or false. Okay, here you have to read the sentence nicely, understand it, and then you have to click on the option true or false. Either if it is true, if it is false, you have to click on false. Okay, so again we will read, you should wash your mouth after every meal. True or false? It is true. You should wash your mouth after every meal. True. Next, microbes can be seen by microscope. Yes, microbes cannot be seen by naked eye. They can be seen by microscope. This is also true. Another, fungi are the most abundant microbes on the earth. Fungi are the most abundant microbes. Is it true or false? It is false, because bacteria are the most abundant microbes on the earth. So it is false. Dash, all our teeth are of the same shape. Tell me, are they of the same shape? No, they are of different shapes. Yes, so all our teeth are not of same shape. This is the false sentence. Okay, next one, germs produce acid in our teeth. Yes, germs produce acid. So it is a true. Next, eating sticky chocolates are good for your teeth. Is it true or false? It is false, because they are not good for your teeth. It is a false statement. Next, the pulp of the tooth contains blood vessels and nerves. Yes, true. The pulp contains the blood vessels and nerves. So it is true. Next, bacteria are of different shapes. Yes, you will see in the in the picture, the bacteria are of different shapes. In the revision slide also I have shown the different shapes of bacteria. So it is true. Calcium and vitamin A are not good for your teeth. It is false. They are good for your teeth. So it is a false statement. Another, permanent teeth last for the lifetime. Yes, the permanent teeth last for the lifetime. If the permanent teeth falls, you will not get any new teeth. So it lasts for the lifetime. So it is true. So this is how you are going to do your true or false. Now here you have to identify the given figure and tick the correct one. Okay, so first one, A1, the picture is shown and the options are bacteria or fungus. So it is a picture of fungus. It is not bacteria, it is fungus. So I am clicking fungus. Another one, virus or protozoa. It is protozoa. It is not virus, it is protozoa. Yes. Another one, tooth, a picture of tooth is there and the options are molar or canines. I told you canines are sharp and pointed, and this is the picture which is shown. You can see it is flat on the top. So it is molar tooth. So I am ticking molar. See here, D option. C, the teeth, the arrow is where the arrow is pointed. These are the incisors. These are the front teeth. Okay, you know premolars are after the they are at the back, and the arrow is pointed towards the front teeth. So incisors are the correct option. Another one at the back. It is at the back. So the options are canines or molars. They are molars. So molar is the correct answer. This is how you are going to do this question of identify the given figure by clicking at the correct option. So you have to go through all the figures that are given in the textbook. Okay. Now, as many of you may not have got the books from the shop, I am here giving you the pictures of the textbook pages. Okay, so you can make use of it if you are not having the textbook. See, okay, this second page, the third page, next. See here, the pictures of microbes are given here. Okay, so this you can make use of it and you can revise it. Till then, I'll take your leave. Thank you.